Are you stuck deciding between using ArrayField or ManyToManyField for tags in your Django model? You're not alone. This is a common dilemma for many developers working with PostgreSQL databases. I totally get it. Choosing the right field type can feel overwhelming, especially when both options seem viable. It's a decision that can impact your database structure and performance. Let's dive into the specifics. One user recently asked, should I use ArrayField or ManyToManyField for tags in my Django model? They mentioned they don't care about supporting other database backends, which makes this decision even more interesting. So what are the differences? ManyToManyField creates a separate table for the relationship, which is great for complex queries and relationships. On the other hand, ArrayField allows you to store multiple values in a single column, which can be simpler and faster for certain use cases. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which option is best for your project, plus some tips on implementation. To determine whether to use ArrayField or ManyToManyField for tags in Django, the user should first consider the nature of the relationship between posts and tags. If each post can have multiple tags and each tag can belong to multiple posts, ManyToManyField is the better choice. Next, the user should consider the advantages of using ManyToManyField. This approach allows for easier querying and management of tags, as Django automatically creates a join table for the relationship. On the other hand, if the user opts for ArrayField, they should be aware that this method is more straightforward for simple use cases. It allows for storing tags directly within the post model, but it lacks the relational benefits. Finally, the user should evaluate their future needs. If they anticipate needing to perform complex queries or manage tags independently, ManyToManyField is the recommended solution. However, for simpler applications, ArrayField may suffice. Fun fact, the ManyToManyField is like a social network for your data, allowing tags to connect with multiple posts, just like friends connecting with each other. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that if you want to monitor tags, like counting them or tracking specific tags, you should use the ManyToManyField approach. This allows for more detailed data and enhances your application. However, if you only need a simple list of tags for display purposes, the ArrayField option is sufficient. Additionally, they recommend using the Django Tagit package for an even richer tagging experience. It's easy to set up and allows you to manage tags effortlessly. Here's a pro tip. Always consider the future of your project. If you think your tagging system might evolve, go with ManyToManyField. It offers more flexibility down the line. And there you have it. Whether you choose ArrayField or ManyToManyField, you now have the knowledge to make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.